Understanding when and why to replace your Keurig water filter is crucial for maintaining optimal coffee quality and protecting your machine investment. Water filters serve four critical functions in your Keurig machine. First, they dramatically improve taste by removing chlorine, sediment, and other impurities that can make your coffee taste flat or chemical. Second, filters protect your machine by preventing mineral buildup. Hard water minerals can clog internal components, leading to expensive repairs or premature machine failure. Third, proper filtration significantly extends your machine's lifespan. Studies show that regular filter maintenance can add 2 to 3 years to your Keurig's operational life. Finally, filters ensure consistent performance by maintaining optimal water quality for proper brewing temperature and coffee extraction, giving you the same great taste every time. Now that we understand why filters matter, let's examine the optimal replacement schedule based on your usage patterns and water conditions. Replacement timing depends on three key factors: usage frequency, water hardness, and brewing volume. For standard home use of 1 to 3 cups daily, replace your filter every 2 months. Heavy users brewing 4 or more cups daily should replace filters every 6 to 8 weeks. The increased water volume accelerates filter saturation and reduces effectiveness. In hard water areas with high mineral content, replace filters every 4 to 6 weeks. Hard water clogs filters faster and requires more frequent maintenance to prevent machine damage. Beyond scheduled replacements, certain warning signs indicate your filter needs immediate attention, regardless of timing. 4 key warning signs indicate immediate filter replacement is needed. First, any noticeable change in coffee taste, especially bitter, flat, or chemical flavors, signals filter exhaustion. Second, slower brewing times indicate filter clogging. If your usual brew cycle takes noticeably longer, the filter is restricting water flow and needs replacement. Third, visible particles in your brewed coffee mean the filter can no longer trap sediment effectively. This compromises both taste and machine health. Finally, a strong chlorine odor in your water reservoir indicates the filter's activated charcoal is saturated and can no longer remove chemical contaminants. Modern Keurig models in 2025 include helpful features that make filter maintenance easier and more precise than ever before. Current Keurig models feature digital reminder systems that track your usage patterns and alert you precisely when filter replacement is due, eliminating guesswork. Additionally, Keurig has standardized filter compatibility across most current models, making replacement simpler and ensuring you always get the right filter for optimal performance. Regular filter maintenance is the single most important step for protecting your Keurig investment and ensuring consistently excellent coffee quality. Following these guidelines will maximize both machine performance and longevity. Now, we'll walk through the complete process of replacing your Keurig water filter. This step-by-step guide will ensure you do it correctly and safely. Step 1 is the preparation phase. First, power down your Keurig machine completely and unplug it from the electrical outlet. This ensures your safety during the filter replacement process. Next, remove the water reservoir from your machine and empty it completely. You'll also want to gather your supplies: a new filter cartridge and clean water for rinsing. Step 2 involves removing the old filter. Locate the filter assembly inside your water reservoir. You'll need to twist the filter holder counterclockwise to remove it, then discard the old filter cartridge. Step 3 is crucial for proper filter function. Soak your new filter cartridge in cold water for exactly 5 minutes. This activates the carbon inside the filter. After soaking, rinse the cartridge under cold running water for 60 seconds. Finally, shake it gently to remove any trapped air bubbles that could affect water flow. Step 4 is the installation process. Insert the prepared cartridge into the filter holder, then place the entire assembly back into the water reservoir. Twist the assembly clockwise until it's secure and properly seated at the bottom of the reservoir. Make sure it's firmly in place to prevent any water bypass. The final step is system reset and testing. Refill your water reservoir with fresh water and run 2 to 3 cleansing brews using the largest cup size setting without inserting a K-cup. These cleansing brews will flush out any carbon particles and ensure your filter is working properly. Finally, if your Keurig model has a filter reminder feature, Make sure to reset it so you'll know when the next replacement is due. Your Keurig water filter replacement is now complete. Following these steps ensures optimal water quality, better tasting coffee, and extends your machine's lifespan. Remember to replace your filter every 2 months or 60 tank refills for best results.